Myself Shantanu Nana. I am from Women's College, Calcutta, under affiliated Calcutta University. And presented my paper. My paper title is Impact of Digital Technology on Indigenous Storytelling, a study of Lord Shiva's digital representation. So, ma'am, basically, I'm not going to discover the tribal communities or the tribal things. Today, I want to discover the things like digital transmission. The Shiv, Lord Shiva, we all know that the facilitated films like Kantara, or the renowned things like Mahakal, Ujjain, or Somnath, Dwaraka. So the basically things is the digital interpretations of Lord Shiva. That's the main focus of my study. So next slide please. So here is my overall the journey, the objectives of the study, hypothesis and methods and methodology, how I conduct this, and result discussion for the scope and analysis. So basically my point is, ma'am, this day digital transmission or digital technology took far apart from the digital global aspects. So the thing is, Lord Shiva's representation is now not only the mythological aspect, they also are moving the devotional videos or the motivational inspirations of the society, or the things are real conservation, real or accustomed with some of the digital content creation like symbolism or symbol categorism, how we perceive the Lord Shiva in different times. Now we all in February. This is the time of Lord Shiva's to celebrate this ritualistic factor. So this day Shiva is not only a mythology; they also participatory in our well-being or our participation in our day-to-day life. So this is my entire the area. Next slide. My objective of the study is to examine how digital media platform functions as a new space for indigenous storytelling. This area or arena of the study is also declares that indigenous storytelling is not only the focus of the digital transmission of digital media, they also declare the creation of the things, how digital media perceived to the Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva's Lord lineliness and the Sanatani Dharma will say all of that. So basically the second point is my analytical part is going to be discovered. To analyze the representation of Lord Shiva, so user generated in digital narratives, how it can be perceived to our in the generation who are being consuming these things. Next slide, please. So hypothesis, ma'am, I hypothesize that digital media reshapes the indigenous, not only reshapes the indigenous storytelling in visual and participatory and algorithm driven is being prevented throughout our journey or our consumes how it sells. So this is the basic part it is. So next slide please. So basically methods and methodology which I would like to discover those things platform studies, because my entire study going to be discover the digital footprints like content creation, like YouTube podcast, Instagram reels, or Facebook interpretation, or manuscript things are. So basically content analysis is the first priority, and second thing is I would like to take a survey to in general sense of who have been consumed digital media in day-to-day lives, to motivate themselves, to encourage themselves, or to devotional videos like the Lord Shiva, how it will really our well-being. So this is the part of my sampling affairs, and this is the same thing, content analysis and research all being I'm already told being a part. It's like qualitative and quantitative is a mixed method. Next slide please. So result and discussion is my research is going to be discover the area of how lordship is represented in our digital assets. So basically there is a scared narrative shift to the participatory in digital storytelling. I'm not only cater to the originality of Lord Shiva or a mythological aspect. I'm looking forward the things what we the Gen Z generation or the who have been created a participatory approaches like podcast creation. How the Mahakal had Ujjain had a great story behind upon that, or we can say the Kedarnath. It's a love apart from. So this is the entire scenario I would like to discover. The things Lord Shiva is not just a things to represent our day-to-day life. It's a mythology aspect, and there the stories are some interpreted and the religious things has to be prevented. So digital area is not that much quantifiable or quantifiable the things that Lord Shiva is a very much big motivational or the devotional video creators. So basically those things are like that. So last point, it is it's my all I want to those things is very short. I will short things I wouldn't wrap up so easily. So because today stories are no longer only told by communities, they are also shaped by the algorithm divine. Thank you, ma'am.
Is this part of the larger thing?
Yes, ma'am. This is only I'm catering toward the content analysis. If there is survey, content coding, symbol assessments, so there are many other things are apart from the study.
আমার একটা প্রশ্ন আছে আমি বলে দিই না প্লিজ গো অ্যাহেড ওকে
No, I was just reading your reading list. This is your reading list, right? Your reference list.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is all about digital technology, but as such on the Shiva mythology, have you read any books?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I took the mythological sense. I had several books in my father's chamber, so I didn't remember those things. But my father told me some of the interesting story of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is not only we are facilitating these things. It
What is the name of the book?
ma'am,
Don't remember, never mind. Have you read Amish?
আমি
no, ma'am.
কিন্তু ওটা তো অনেক স্টোরি
And I'm sharing with what I'm reading list.
Actually, your first one, main priority now is Shivpura. Shivpura and Skandapura would
No, but she's focusing more on the digital part.
Yeah, but just
Not
for the
on the
Shiva
Shiv
reference, I
content.
think Shivpura or Skandapura would be a better reference.
I had a question. Mike, let me ask you now. One thing that I am unable to understand is how is survey a part of content analysis? Second, what is the technique adopted for data analysis? We have Fairdraw, we have Van Dyke working on critical resource analysis. We have for in-depth interview, again have a lot of people. So what exactly, what is the technique? How did you apply the technique? That's not me. But it's a very good presentation. I'm going to discuss suggestion, not a question.
So basically, I want to discover things that content analysis is the main focus. Symbolic analysis, content coding, that's the main analysis. But the things like, মানে আমি বলতে চাইছি যে ডিজিটাল মিডিয়া প্রেজেন্সটা কারা ইউজ করছে
না না আমি বলছি যে এই টেকনিক অ্যাডপ্টেড এই যে আপনি যে টেকনিকটা অ্যাডপ্ট করছেন সেই টেকনিকটা কার লেন্স দিয়ে দেখছেন আমরা যদি ক্রিটিক্যাল ডিসকোর্স অ্যানালিসিস করি আমরা আইদার ফেয়ার ফ্লো করি বা ভ্যান ডাইয়ের লেন্স করি বা ওপেন কোডিং করলেও অনেকগুলো ভেরিয়েশন আছে গ্রাউন্ডেড থিওরি করলেও তো হোয়াট এক্স্যাক্টলি ইজ দ্যাট লেন্স বা কোন সফটওয়্যার ব্যবহার করছেন ফর অ্যানালিসিস
না আমি ঠিক
পুরোটাই ম্যানুয়াল কোডিং
হ্যাঁ আমি এটা ঠিক অতটা ভালো দেখি
আর একটা কথা শুধু এই ফেসবুকটাকে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া যে ফেসবুকটা গবেষণা দেবেন গবেষণার ক্ষেত্রে ওটা গৃহীত নয় ফেসবুকটা ওটাকে